All right. So, hi everyone. Welcome back to another AI Esports special. And today we've got a really special tournament, right? With our Vietnamese esports player today, right? Is coder versus designer, right? And we've got Harry, ZK Agent, our coder, and Andrew, our designer. Let's get to know our players. Harry, give us an introduction of yourself, bro.
Okay. I'm Harry. I'm from ZK Asian. We are a DPIM project that working in South Asia. We basically building a platform that helping users to contribute and review our in this network. Yeah.
Okay, Harry. And then let's talk to Andrew. Andrew, tell us a bit more about yourself.
Hello guys, my name Andrew, and I have been a graphic designer for like 5 years, and this is a good challenge for me to try with AI to solve some problem and do some creative.
Fantastic. Okay, now, and I want to hear from our special guest for today. We've got our guest judge for today, and he's none other than our resident entrepreneur mentor, Kenny. Kenny, any words of encouragement for our team members today, for our competitors today?
Of course, it's interesting to see a contest between a, a left brain coder and a right brain designer. You know, I believe the result will be different because the coder will have to think conceptually and the designer had to think sequentially. So the results will have to speak for itself. So let's see how two different cognitive skill can produce results that have been designed independently designed. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
100%, right? And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start our AI esports special. Coder, Henry ZK Agent versus designer, Andrew. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, hang tight because we're going to start very, very soon. And we're going to go with our first challenge, right? Now, our first challenge is a challenge on speed. So what happens is, what's happening is Harry and Andrew, they're both going to be given a challenge, and the fastest person to create the challenge exactly according to how it is spec'd will go to the next stage, right? And the next stage will contain another type of challenge, right? And once they clear that, they go to the next challenge. So our first round is a challenge of speed. Andrew and Harry, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm
Okay,
ready.
let me
Let's
show you.
go.
All right, you guys look ready. Okay, let me show you what is our challenge statement. Okay, so this is our challenge statement. Now, the first person to create this output using your skills in prompt engineering will go to the next task. And we're looking for the fastest prompter here, who is able to do it creatively and, of course, accurately as well. If you are ready, gentlemen, let's wait for the countdown.
3, 2, 1. AI creators.
It says AI creators, let's go, right? It's a bit of a lag, but let's go. Come on. Your time has already begun. Let's see what they are up to right now. So I'm going to show, I'm going to be playing the screen and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this is essentially what the task is about, right? So they have to create a bioluminescent cityscape, right? Which is futuristic, and they must contain a body of water, right? And it must, have at least 5 visible plants and trees. Harry and Andrew, right? Please share your screen with us so that we can see what you're doing.
Okay. Let me share my screen.
Yes.
So again, the fastest, right? So talking about the fastest person to create this prompt, and now we are looking at Andrew's screen. Okay, and Andrew is using ChatGPT. Andrew, why are you using ChatGPT? Are you good at ChatGPT? And this is ChatGPT 5. Are you a
Uh,
user of ChatGPT, Andrew?
yeah, yeah. I use ChatGPT the most, and I feel it is the best tool I can use for this challenge.
Fantastic. Let's take a look at Harry, right? Harry is using ChatGPT too. Wow, this is a ChatGPT 5 versus ChatGPT 5 challenge. Harry, why
Yes.
ChatGPT? I remember the other challenge you were using your own LLM. Why ChatGPT this time around?
Well, with this topic, I think the GPT can do the best because I already paid money for it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all about computing power, right? Okay, let's see. So let's take a look at how Harry is starting it. He's saying, okay, this is the brief. So you see the format of this is what you need to do, and this is the brief, and this is brainstorming. Let's take a look at what Andrew is doing, right? How is Andrew doing it differently? Andrew is still at typing mode. Andrew, you gotta hurry up, right? This is a challenge of time. So the fastest person to actually get this goes on to the next task, right? The first coder or designer to complete all three tasks will get maximum points. Okay, so Andrew, come on, cheering for you. Let's take a look at Harry. Harry is well on his way to brainstorming. Look, he's already generated a picture. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, the challenge is it must contain a body of water. There must be a river, there must be a lake, and there must be at least five plants or trees. Okay, yeah, okay. And Harry is changing it up. Harry is using Dali. I know someone who uses Dali a lot. Kenny, give me a bit of your thoughts on Dali. I know you've been using Dali since the start, Kenny. Do you think
Uh,
it's, yeah?
well, each model has its own strong points, but it's not the model itself. The quality of the output has to fit in the narrative and the objective. So it's not the model, so it's more the understanding of the model that's more important.
All right, let's take a check in at Andrew. It looks like there's a lot of things happening at Andrew right now. Andrew using ChatGPT, and he's already starting to create some images. But he's also using Firefly. Boom! Oh, Firefly is, I think, something as a designer, Andrew is really good at. I think Andrew is a designer. Remember, Harry is the coder. Andrew is a designer. Let's take a look at Harry's screen right now. Harry using DALI. He's using this prompt. It's quite a specific. I think the prompt was created via ChatGPT, if I'm not wrong. So he's using meta prompting, right? So meta prompting is
Yes.
act of, yeah. Ask ChatGPT for the prompt, and then you prompt using that prompt. Is that your strategy, Harry? Meta prompting.
Yes, because the best is we transfer our idea into a real AI prompt where the AI can understand, with a high accuracy and can generate you more close with your idea. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. All right, he's using the meta prompting method. And okay, so Andrew, being the designer, is starting to get into the details. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, right? And our designers and our designer and our coder, our competitors for today. Today's challenge for our first round is to create an image that has got a body of water. It must look futuristic. There must be five plants or trees. So we're looking for accuracy more than creativity. So this is your skills in accuracy, your skills in prompt engineering, and really how you tame the AI beast. Right? Are we ready for that? Taming the AI beast. That's what this challenge is all about,
Okay.
right? That's
I think
you ready?
I think I've done.
Okay. Let's take a look at that. So futuristic, yes. Okay, it must contain five. One, two,
Two,
three,
three, four,
four,
five.
five. Fantastic, Harry. You are proceeding to the next round, and our next round is okay. Drone journey. So Harry is going to drone journey. Andrew, continue doing your picture mission. This is
Yeah.
the next mission, Harry. Create a drone journey video. So look at that. So all you need is 5 pictures, body, 5 trees, body of water, and looking futuristic. Andrew, you're still on that challenge, and we are seeing Harry's strategy, right? He's doing meta prompting. He's prompting on ChatGPT 5, right? And then he's transferring ChatGPT 5's prompts into, I think, DALI, if I'm not wrong. Are you using DALI? Is that right, Harry?
This time I will use my secret weapon. Yeah, I use our own our own AI models
Okay,
to
okay, okay.
generate the video. Yeah.
Let's take a look at your secret weapon, Harry. Andrew, let me know whenever you're ready. Okay, but I want to take a look at his secret weapon, right? Can I show our audience the secret weapon? What do you think? Is it okay, or should I keep it secret? I keep it secret for you. Huh? I keep it secret for you. Okay. Our second challenge, and again, Harry is on the lead. Our coder is in the lead, right? 8-second video of a drone on a surveillance mission, and it must contain a drone, it must contain a futuristic jungle, and there must be a hexagonal glowing pad. So that's really difficult because challenge number one, as in round number one, is all about accuracy. Round number one is all about taming the AI beast and how accurate you guys are in your prompt and how well you know your LLM, right? So I think that's the reason why that's the secret of success in round one, which is challenges of accuracy. Let's take a look right at Andrew. Andrew, are you ready?
Yeah, man, I'm ready.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so body of water, we see it. It looks futuristic. I need 5 trees. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more than 5 trees, but you know what? I'm gonna bring Kenny in. I'm gonna ask Kenny whether we can pass. Kenny, what do you think? Can we
Yeah,
pass? Can we
together
pass?
because there are actually 5 trees in there. The rest can be irrelevant. Yeah, you can move
All
on.
right, Andrew, you passed. Okay, you're trailing slightly behind. Go to challenge number 2, which is drone's journey. Well done, Andrew. Right, still can catch up. Right. So challenge number 2, ladies and gentlemen, right, is a challenge on video production. Right. So let's take a look at Harry's secret weapon, and I've got Harry's screen right here that I want to show people. Right. Look at that. Harry's screen is this. He's using something that I've not seen before. Kenny, have you seen this LLM before that Harry is using? Have you seen
No,
it?
I think it's a proprietary one, correct? Yeah.
Oh, no wonder he says it's a secret weapon. Huh? Harry, give us a bit more info about this LLM that you've just created. Is this yours? Is this a friend? Is this a project you're working on?
Yes, we can say so because the actual backer for this one is actually the Cephalon. So the Cephalon, yeah, working like
Ah,
a marketplace, and I just pick up the AI agent that very specific on video generating, and this AI agent we actually train on the GLM4 models right here.
oh, that's cool. Right. It's very nice. Okay. Uh, Tell us a bit more about this model. Let's take a look at Andrew, right? How is Andrew? Andrew is going with VO3. Now, VO3 is really powerful. Andrew, do you have experience using VO3?
Yeah, a little bit.
Right? And it's, I think Google is saying that their VO3 models are one of the best. And we've did a bit of testing and we found VO3 to be really powerful as well. Right? So let's see whether we can unleash the power of VO3. So essentially, it's interesting. So Andrew is looking at different LLM models, right? Sora, VO3, whereas Harry is sticking with his guns. And this is Harry, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, get to know our competitors as they are creating our second challenge. And this is a challenge on accuracy, right? We are looking for accuracy. We're looking at whether our competitors can tame the AI beast. And this is the challenge that two of them are working on, which is to create a video, a surveillance video of a drone. And it's looking at a futuristic jungle. And there must be a glowing helicopter pad, right? These are the things that must be in the video. It's not as easy as it seems. Accuracy is all about your delicate skills in prompt engineering. Multi LLM models must be used, and of course, we are judging based on speed here. So the fastest person that can do this actually gets the points and goes on to our last task in round number 1. Okay, let's take a look at how our guys are working. are doing, right? So we are looking at Harry and his uh, proprietary model, right? And he's generating it. Video takes a bit more time. We look at Andrew. Andrew is still thinking about a different LLM model, right? I think he's also using meta prompting, if I'm not wrong. Andrew, do you use meta prompting as a way? Are you using meta prompting as well? ChatGPT 5 to get the
Yeah,
prompting,
we
entering the
use
prompts.
the prompt and the image that I generate the last channel.
Oh, fantastic. It looks good, right? I think that's a nice strategy that you had. And I think Andrew, being the designer, naturally has got many examples, right? Like a swipe file of many things that he can use. And I think he's using that. Okay. While waiting for our competitors to finish task number 2, I just want to have a quick chat with our judge. Kenny, I'm going to put you back on. Tell us about your adventures with AI so far. Or what is this about AI that has fascinated you? And I imagine that you've been around for different creativity breakthroughs in the world of tech. But what about AI that really excites you, Kenny?
Basically, uh, what we've been observing, as I've always said, that we are all very familiar with search, and then we've been very familiar with predictive AI. But what is the current trend that excited many of us here is generative AI. What it means is that a lot of us has a lot of ideas and creativity in our mind, but they're all locked in because we do not have the ability to generate our ideas so that other people can understand what it is, and they can add to it, and with some hallucination, some minor hallucination in the output, may provide us a little bit of interesting idea for us to work on. So what is interesting about this is the generative AI uh, allow ordinary people to be able to show and expound or their ideas so that the ideas can be used to actually provide new innovative out of the box solutions. So I think
All right, thank you.
that is where it's moving. Yeah, too. Yeah, yeah.
Thanks so much, Kenny. I want to kind of interject with you because I see some movement on their screens. Okay, and okay. So I thought Andrew already had output for us, but I think it's Harry. Let's take a look at it. I think it's Harry. I think Harry might have that output for us already. Okay, well, Harry's output is still generating. It's still taking a bit of time, right? We are 5 to 7 minutes into challenge number 2. While they are generating these outputs, which I'm sure they are working very hard on, let's get to know, right, our competitors. So Harry here, right, he's based in Vietnam. He's a coder. He's head of Vietnam for many things, right? I don't want to disturb him right now because he's busy. But tell me something about yourself that you want our audience to know about you, bro. Harry.
Um, Actually, I'm quite bad when introducing about myself, but
Okay. All right. Okay, I will disturb you. Okay, let's talk about Andrew. Andrew is also from Vietnam, right? Andrew is a fantastic designer. Andrew, while you're designing, tell us about some of the what your proudest design work. What is something that you're really proud about when it comes to design?
Uh, about what I am doing right now, right?
Okay,
Mm.
right. What was the best design that you've done? The one that you really like the best in your life? Are you an artist? Do you paint also as well,
Sometimes I can
or you're
sometimes.
just a graphic designer?
Mm.
Okay, so you are out and out art. So you don't only do graphic design, you also paint. You do lots of artwork. So truly an artist. Okay, you're truly an artist. Okay, I won't disturb you, Andrew. Let's take a look at Andrew's screen now. He's generating media, and again, when it comes to AI, it's all about computing power, right? Andrew has got the prompt,
Yeah.
right? And now he's already inserted his prompt into the video producer, right? And this is where a lot of our competitors are lagging. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go quick and fast, I suggest you check out some of our sponsors, right? Because they can provide you with computing power. Let's take a look at Harry. It looks like Harry might have something. He's choosing a username. Harry, why? What are you using? What platform is this?
This is
Right?
Sora by the GBT. It's
Oh
also
yeah, yeah, yeah.
a video generator. So I think I'm using both because
Oh,
our one is take quite long to finish.
okay, so you're moving on to a faster video generator, and that's the reason why Harry is using Sora, right, instead of all the other ones that he has used before. Okay. Again, let's take a look at Andrew again. Andrew is trying VO3. Andrew has already tried Sora. So unlike Harry, Andrew is already on Sora, right? Now Andrew is trying VO3. And are you trying both, Andrew? Are you trying both Sora and VO3? Are you generating? Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, you can see. Okay, pressure's on, Harry. Andrew's got something. Andrew has got something, Harry. He's got something up, right? While you are fiddling, right, with Sora, Andrew is taking the lead now from behind, right? He's done both Sora and I think VO3. And just look at where you're at. Harry, who's had the lead, has not started on his video yet. So that might be a point of concern. That might be concerning, right? Because the person, our coder, Harry, who's in the lead, looks like he's trailing behind. And Andrew looks like he's got like a video. Andrew, where are you with the video? Let me see. Right? Are you ready to present the video to us?
It's not a
Or
video yet.
okay,
Yeah,
it's an
yeah.
image. Okay, so you can breathe a bit easier, Harry. It's not a video yet, it's an image. So lucky you, right? I gave you the wrong information,
Still
right? So
time,
don't worry
still
about that.
time.
Yeah, all right, okay. So time check, guys. I mean, this is a time challenge, right? But if both competitors cannot produce a video in the next 5 minutes, we're automatically gonna go to our next challenge, and no points will be awarded. But if you look at Harry right now, he is on to something. Harry, is this a video? Are you creating a video? Looks like you're creating many types of video. Tell us all the videos that you're producing on which platforms.
The one I'm trying to creating is a video now. Yeah, and all the image here is actually is like a brainstorm and idea briefing that how the visual is gonna be look like, and when you try to bring it on to become a video, it will be easier and faster.
Looks good, right? I think you're onto something. I think you're onto something, and let's take a look at Andrew's screen. Andrew is creating. This is Andrew,
Yeah,
right?
almost done.
Almost, almost. Andrew is almost there, right? Just 5 more%, if I'm not wrong, right? Andrew's almost there, and Harry's almost. So it's almost neck to neck. Oh my God, guys, let me know which ones are you. Which ones? If you're ready, just let me know, right? And then we will judge and see whether your videos are ready. It's been a while. They took a while to create the videos, but it looks like they're neck to neck now. Both Andrew and Harry have got their AI generated videos, and you're looking at Harry's screen right now. He's doing some kind of fine tuning. We're looking at Andrew's screen right now. He's fine tuning, and really, challenge number 2, it's all about fine tuning your ability, right, to tame AI. And just want to share with the people watching, this is what they are producing. Ladies and gentlemen, they are creating a video, and the video must be a single drone looking at a futuristic jungle, and there must be a glowing helicopter pad, a hexagonal pad, right? Must be present in this jungle. So that's what you have to do. So we are judging based on accuracy rather than creativity, right? So if you have all these elements they present to us, boom, they go to the next round. And next round is an audio challenge, okay? Now that I've reshared the challenge statement, it looks like Andrew is already ready to download. Harry, What, everybody, are you downloading? Are you fine
No,
tuning it?
I'm fixing it. Yeah.
Okay, so Andrew is what was wrong in the first few videos? Okay, so Harry is fixing it. Andrew has downloaded it again, neck to neck, right? We're seeing some bandwidth issues. It's always important for you guys, right, to have fantastic bandwidth because computing power depends on good bandwidth. So if you don't want to lag, make sure you've got a good internet provider. So you've got internet providers out there who want to sponsor us in Vietnam. Please give us a shout out. This is the world's first AI Esports Tournament. Okay, Andrew, are you ready? It looks like you're
I
ready.
think I'm not ready yet.
Not really yet. That's okay. That's fine, gentlemen. Right. Let's take a look at our two competitors because we are seeing their screen, but we don't often see the faces of our competitors. So
Okay.
Harry, who
Okay.
is the coder, and Andrew, who is our designer. Right. Andrew is designer. Harry is coder. I've never asked you, Harry, why you call yourself ZK agent. What does ZK stand for?
I'm sorry. Can you say again?
What is ZK? Why you call yourself ZK agent?
ZK Asian.
Yeah, why is your code name ZK agent?
Um, the ZK is actually stand for the zero knowledge. Yeah, zero knowledge here is like you try to build a white label thing and people just need to like rent back your thing and they can start a new thing themselves. They don't need to know the detail of how to code, how to control the server, how to maintain it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a cool name, I must say. That's a cool name, right? Okay, you were seeing Harry's screen. Now you're seeing Andrew's screen. Andrew has got an image, already has got a video. Now he's asking. Now he's talking to his AI agent. He's talking to his own. He's talking to his AI team to have the drone fixed, right? And to extend the length and to get all those kind of nitty gritty details in, right? Because, like I said, this is our challenge. Our challenge is to make sure that you create an 8-second video, a single drone, it's on a mission. That's the challenge, right? So, this first part is really about making sure that you're accurate, right, rather than creativity, which is the second part of our challenge. Let's take a look at what Harry has been up to. Harry is both competitors have got their videos up, so both of them have got their videos up, so that's great, right? I think it's all by fine tuning. Harry looks very close to producing a video. Harry, are you this close? You are really that close to producing a
Actually,
video,
I'm done
right?
already.
Uh, you're done. Let's
I'm
judge it.
done
Let's
already,
judge
but
it.
I'm waiting for my new result. Because I'm fixing a bit of the ideas. Yeah, I want to see it can be better or not.
Sure, right. Okay, right. Harry quite a perfectionist, right? And then for this particular round, we've got a special guest. It's not our guest judge Kenny. It's an AI judge who's watching right now, and you'll be hearing from the AI judge from this particular challenge, right? Whether our competitors have made it or whether they need to try again. So this is a particularly difficult challenge for our competitors because video, number one, takes lots of computing power, right? Video,
Okay.
right, takes a lot to produce it.
I'm
So are
ready.
you
I'm
ready?
ready. I think I'm done.
You're
Yeah.
ready? All right, let's check this out. Kenny, I'm going to bring him in. Is he
Who is
okay?
coming in?
Harry, this is his
Oh,
video.
I thought you got another judge standing by.
Yeah, I've got another judge who's coming in after
Oh,
this, right? And right after you, I want to get, you're the human,
well,
the AI is
as
coming
you
in after
can,
this. This video in
yeah, as you
requirements.
can see, the working mind of a coder and a designer are different. You look at the first one the coder gone on very fast because they go on the vertical basis. So, but the end result, but the designer look at it conceptually, and then it takes a while, but then he got the at the end he achieved the same result.
All right.
So you can, yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Kenny. Harry, let's hear from the AI judge. What is he saying? Let me see. AI judge, what do
You
you
have
think?
passed. Next stage.
Okay, okay.
All right, let's go. Next stage, bro. Andrew, pressure's on again, right? Harry has completed round two and he's going to round three. Sorry, task number three. And task number three is audio task. Don't worry about completing, rushing it. Andrew, I think you're almost there. I
Yeah,
think you're
yeah.
almost there, right? Yeah, no worries. It's still neck to neck. Let's take a look at Andrew's screen, right? Now, while we are looking at Andrew's screen, I think he's downloading. I want to show you guys what is task number three. Now, task number three that Harry is on is to create an audio clip that sounds like it comes from an alien world, right? And there must be some static, there must be some harmony in the background. And Harry and Andrew, you actually have got less than 10 minutes to pull this off. If not, none of you will get points for this round. But it looks like Harry is already in the lead. So what you guys are going to be doing for task number three, of which Harry is already embarking on. Andrew, where are you at now?
My Sora is squeezing now.
Yeah, you gotta get like a better internet. You get a better internet. Maybe that is Harry's secret formula. Okay, while you're doing, okay, let me take a Harry. Harry, what are you using for this
I,
round? Which platform are
I'm
you using
using
for this round?
11 Labs for the voice
Oh
creating.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay, 11 labs. Okay, this is what 11 labs look like, right? No, this is what 11 labs look like, right? Okay, so this is Harry's screen. I've not heard of 11 Labs. Kenny, have you heard of 11 Labs? Have you played around with that LLM?
Well, you don't view 11 labs. You hear 11 labs. 11 apps
That's
is a
true.
text to sound, text to audio model, and it is the top of the range. I believe they are the best currently. They are tended to be.
Or
Yes,
11 Labs is the best when it comes to
yes.
sound now, right? Okay, well, okay. So we seen, in this challenge of designer versus coder, how the coder makes use of multiple platforms, right? And Harry is using meta prompting again. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a insight into how our experts, and these are really accomplished esports players, but they are also designers and coders, and this is how they use prompting, right? And we want to take a look at what's under your hood, right? How do they create fantastic prompts that are accurate? And right, and what Harry is doing is he is actually going to ChatGPT 5 and he's asking ChatGPT 5 for a proper prompt. So that's his mechanism. And not only that, he goes through another round of fine tuning. Okay. But I think he's also using Suno. But I'm going to go and quickly look at Andrew right now. Andrew, where are you at? Are you ready to show us your video? I think you are
Yeah,
almost
almost
ready.
ready.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Don't worry. Right. I think you can catch up with Harry. Harry's in the lead. Right. But then again, it's all about the last challenge, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about the last challenge, competitors. The last challenge, right, is going to determine who wins, right, round number one, which is a speed challenge. Okay, so we see 4% in Andrew's generation. So I'm just gonna focus on Andrew's screen right now because I think it's just a matter of a few seconds before Andrew's gonna say he's ready, right? And then I'm gonna ask both Kenny to judge and our AI judge to see whether Andrew can move on to the next round. Okay, Andrew, if you're ready, you can present this to us. If not, you can still continue
Yeah,
creating
I
because
think
if
I'm
we look
ready.
at you are ready? Okay, let's take a look at this. Play the video for us. Okay, it's playing. Kenny, what do you think? Can Andrew pass?
Is there an audio to it? Is there a background audio or is just visual? Can you hear me?
Andrew, is there audio or is it only
Only
visual?
visual.
Only visual.
All
Okay.
right. Yep. It
Okay.
meets your specs. you're not looking at quality, but you're looking at accuracy of translating your mission. I think he got it right. Yeah.
All right, okay, thanks. Kenny has given the go ahead, but hold on, Andrew. I'm going to ask our AI judge. AI judge, tell us, is it a go or no
You
go?
have passed. Next stage.
You heard the judge. Go to your next
Yes.
challenge, Andrew. And again, we are seeing them neck to neck right now, right? Andrew and Harry are both now competing on our last challenge, our last speed challenge, and our last speed challenge is an audio challenge. And I think this is going to be challenging for both Harry and Andrew because these guys are visual guys, they're not auditory guys, okay? And what you're seeing now is you're seeing Harry fine tuning his prompt. I think there's a very cool method behind how Harry is
How
doing
can
it.
I
Um,
share the sound now?
Andrew is this is Harry's screen. Harry is really going to sampling. Andrew is going into the prompt itself. Okay, so Andrew is creating the audio. Andrew is creating and fine tuning the prompt. Let's take a look at this, right? So what Andrew has done is he's actually asked ChatGPT 5 which AI tools that can be used to create this audio. And I think ChatGPT 5 has suggested 11 labs. So it's a very interesting way. So it looks like for both competitors, ChatGPT 5 is like the new search engine, right? Everything is searchable on ChatGPT, and then you fine tune it using other models. I'm looking at that kind of workflow for both our competitors. Am I right, Andrew? Is that how you're trying to
Yeah.
do it? Yeah? Okay, very cool. Now, while Andrew is creating the sound, Harry, I think, has got some semblance of an audio file currently being created right now, right?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Okay,
I did have already, but
okay,
it's not 20-second long. I just did again with 20-second long, then I can finish already.
okay. So, um, Harry's confident, right? And why I say Harry is feeling very confident because you can already see the sample. Andrew, you got to get better internet, bro. I think your internet is letting you up, right? Who's your ISP? Yeah. who's your internet provider, right? They should come in and they should be boosting you, right? You and all the design ideas that you have. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Uh,
I think I'm done. Yes,
you're
I'm
done?
done.
Okay, okay. Andrew, Harry is done. I'm going to bring Kenny in. And Kenny, let's hear the challenge. Okay, play the challenge for us.
I can't hear you. Okay,
You
okay.
you guys can hear it or not?
Not yet. Not yet. No.
Okay,
There's
wait,
no
wait,
music.
wait.
It's basically some sound, some audio sound, but not a music yet. Yeah.
Here, here. Let me play
Okay,
again.
let's
Oh,
take
This
a
just
time
look.
play.
we
What is our challenge? This is the challenge. This is the challenge. I just want to put up the challenge. Now with sound, it's different, right? We've never tried a sound challenge. Okay, so there must be. So it must sound as though it comes from an alien world. Harry, play that again.
Oh, I'm hearing it now.
you can hear it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Kenny, what do you think?
Now
What do you
it
think?
does meet it does meet your mission, the assignment, and I will give it a pass. But you really need to use our AI robot to provide the exact score because we humans cannot distinguish too much, you know. So the AI judge has to give the exact score.
Okay, okay, I hear you. Let's ask our AI judge. AI judge, what do you think of Harry's music?
Not there yet. Keep going.
Well, You've heard the AI judge, Harry. It says keep going. You got to produce another version. It's fail. It's a no, right? So you're onto something, but hey, the AI judge say keep going. Not there yet. Okay, so back to the drawing board a bit more, but I'm confident you're gonna get there. I'm gonna confident you're gonna get there. In the meantime, let's take a look at Andrew and how Andrew is. What is Andrew doing right now? Because he's got a fighting chance right now, right? He's got a fighting chance right now because Harry has just been rejected by the AI judge. But I know Harry, he's a coder, it's not letting him down. He's gonna not let himself down. He's not gonna let his AI team members down. He's gonna fine tune it. But Andrew looks like he's already created. It looks like you're ready, Andrew. Yeah. Let us know if you're ready, right? He's sampling. So Andrew is sampling his music. Now look at Harry, right? Harry is going ZK agent, Harry, our coder. What difference are you making now, Harry? What are you trying to do right
I think
now?
we add some more element into the sound that can make you think this is a alien sound. That's all I can think right
Okay,
now.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. I think that would work as well. That's We know what Harry is doing. Harry is fine tuning it so that it can you add the alien elements rather than the static sound. Andrew is going through this. What LLM model are you using,
I
Andrew?
use Flash script.
Uh,
I'm going to ask our AI judge and our resident AI creator. Kenny, have you seen this tool before?
No, I'm more familiar with. Is this the you're talking about text to music or text to audio?
This is text to audio.
Yeah,
Is that
yeah.
right, Andrew?
Text.
Okay, text to audio. I'm more familiar with 11 Labs, and if you're talking to about music, more on Sona. So this is something I'm not familiar with. But as the new world of generative AI, you got new players in the market almost every week. So as long as it serves your purpose, you understand it, it's good for you. Go ahead.
Thanks, Kenny. Right? Yeah, it's true. Right, the rate by which our AI LLM platforms are coming up is really, I think, dozens per day. Right, so there's always a better model out there. There's specialized models, and I'm looking at the competitors and our competitors. Their strategy is really multi-model. There's not one model that they depend on. I think that's an interesting thing that I'm seeing consistently among our competitors. Again, right, for people watching this competition, this tournament, this particular round is a round on accuracy, right? We're not talking about creativity yet. We're just talking about accuracy. How accurate can our competitors, right, create an output based on the challenge given? And the challenge that we've given this time around is for them to create a sound. So much so that the sound has to sound like it came from a distant alien world, but there must be of a harmony behind it. So the problem was Harry, and our AI judge said that the Harry sound just had static but got no harmony, right? So we must have a bit of harmony, and that's what you're working on. So that's our last speed challenge. Whoever wins this speed challenge, right, gets the points for round one. And just to recap, what has been done, Harry has been in the lead, right? He was the first to pass the image challenge. He was the first to pass the video challenge, and he had the most time to do the audio challenge. So Andrew is actually catching up, but the way I'm looking at it, it's even Stevens, right? This is what Andrew is doing right now. He's using 11 labs, and I think there are a couple of elements that Andrew is adding. He's sampling the music. Harry is back at fine tuning. So Harry, you are still in generating mode, right? You're generating this. You think it's gonna come very
I
soon?
think this time is Ken. Yeah.
This time, you think so? Right. Do you have any experience creating sound, Harry? Like, do you create
Actually,
sound using AI?
none. This is the first time that I tried to use AI to creating a sound. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not something that is
Yeah.
often used. Yeah, we always use AI to create videos and audio, but yeah, sound is a really interesting use case. Um, Andrew, at what stage are you at? Can you kind of let us know, like where are you at? Are you sampling it? Do you really have a sample? Are you editing it?
Yeah, I think I'm ready now.
You ready now? Okay, do you want to play it?
Yeah. Can you hear the sound?
Okay, all right. Okay. So, boom. All right. Okay. So check this out, Kenny. Andrew is ready. Andrew has taken over Harry. Judge this sound. Go for it.
I'm not hearing anything yet.
We can't hear anything yet. Is it
Yeah, it's
playing?
playing. Uh,
You got a better partner, a better ISP.
we can't hear it, right? We can't hear it, Andrew. Yeah, I'm putting it at full volume and I still can't hear it. Okay.
yeah. Can even download this?
Is the loudest? Okay, I think it is a source. I think it is a source problem. I think we have not shared sound. You can try to reconfigure it again. Right. Try to reconfigure it again. And yeah, so it's down to the technicalities, right? So both players have created their audio files. Now it's just about making sure that our human judge and our AI judge can hear. So this is a really interesting. It comes down to this, right? It's like a hairline difference. Andrew is ready with his sound. He's just having difficulty playing the sound to us. Harry is still generating the audio file. Whoever is ready, come play us the sound because both of your sounds are at full volume already, Harry
Okay.
and Andrew.
Let me
You wanna?
play my audio.
Okay, Andrew's playing his audio. Hit it. Okay, Kenny, what do you
Well,
think? Pass or no go? Go or no
there is
go?
a bit more kind of rhythm to that. It's better than the earlier one. But as you know, we humans are kind of handicapped in this. We could not see through many things. So we let our resident AI judge to make a command on his piece.
Resident AI judge, what do you think? Is Harry going to win this round? What does the AI judge say?
You have passed. Next stage.
Boom! Gentlemen, well done. Fantastic creation. Andrew, I'm so sorry,
Yeah.
bro. Right? You've got it right. But this round is won by Harry. Harry, you've won our speed round. Congratulations. Fantastic work, gentlemen. Give them a round of applause, right? How was it? How was it? Andrew, if you're ready, you can let us play, but Harry won this round, right? How let us know when your audio file is ready. We are keen to hear your audio files as well because I know you've created it. But before you play it, Harry, winner of round one, what do you think? Any thoughts from you?
I think the game is still too easy for me. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's gonna get harder, right? It's gonna get harder. Okay. Andrew, how about you? What do you think about today's game? Like, what do you think of your performance today?
It's okay. I will beat him next time.
Yeah, I think round two is your. I think round two is your jam. I think round two is your jam because round two is all about creativity,
Can you
right?
hear me? Can
And
you hear me?
round two is all about creativity. Round one is about accuracy. Round two is about creativity.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Let's take a breather, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining in. All right. We're gonna take a breather. Round one is done. It was won by Harry. Thanks for coming into our AI Esports special. We got round two, which is a challenge of creativity coming up in the next 1 minute. Okay. So hold on. Right. We're gonna come back on stream in the next 1 minute for us to go to round two of our challenge. Stay tuned.